Ooh, I got an update. $100 per day using these methods, free and paid, both together. Affiliate marketing, Maxbounty, clickbank, whatever you name it, we're doing it. Here in this video, showing you everything live. I'm not skipping anything. Stay tuned. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm back. Sorry for the long, I guess you could call it relapse. It's not like I have a drug problem or anything like that, but I did have some issues. I haven't been on here for a while because I had a baby shower with my wife. We have a kid coming in a couple of months. So I've been gone for a little bit. I haven't touched anything internet marketing, affiliate marketing related. I take that back. I've been doing some blogs and stuff, but as far as this case study, I have not touched it. Thus is the reason why I haven't updated you. But I hopped back on today and I wanted to update you as to what is going on because there is some crazy stuff going on. All right. But before we get into this, also we're on day 11 very quickly. But look, this is YouTube. You can obviously see all the videos and stuff. Some of the things I'll be watching, some, not everything. But I need you to hit that subscribe button because I'm about to kick some awesome content to you. Everything affiliate marketing related, making money online, SMMA marketing, anything that involves making money online, I'm teaching you guys. If you want me to continue to push out this awesome content, maybe there's some suggestions that you have. Drop some comments below. Hit the thumbs up button. It really helps me out with my videos. I'm trying to get to 1,000 subscribers, so please subscribe. Before the end of the year, I'm trying to get to 1,000 subscribers. But enough about that. Let's go ahead, check out these results that I got for you because they're very exciting. Just a disclaimer, a lot of you guys clicked on this video because I'm in my title, I said Maxbounty CPA marketing. And today I'm not going to be doing Maxbounty because the offer that I'm promoting, as you see right here, the Red Tea Detox, has been removed from Max campaign officially. Plus, it's on ClickBank, which I'm going to hop on over and show you because I'm promoting it there. They give more commission as well. So I just want to go through that really quick, but the same thing applies to Maxbounty, the same methods that I will be doing with ClickBank. So the first thing I'm going to do is go over to ClickBank. Right here on the left hand side, my left hand, I look on my screen and boom, right? I have two sales going on. One for $30.49, another one for $24.79. Not quite $100 per day, but we're getting there. We're making some progress. And again, if you haven't watched any of my progress, please go check out some of my previous videos. I'm tracking my process to $100 per day. My progress, more like it. The links for those videos are below and maybe up top. I'm gonna drop some cards or whatever so that you guys can click on them and watch them. But I'm starting from scratch. This is one of my ClickBank accounts. I proved that you could just make a couple of videos in one of the first videos that I created, that you could just start from scratch with no subscribers or anything on YouTube and start making affiliate commissions, just simply making videos. And I did that. It took me like 5 days to get my first $30 commission with that YouTube channel. So I'm just proving the process right now. And I'm also sprinkling in a little bit of paid marketing, which I'm an expert at Facebook ads, but I'm not an expert with these methods that I'm teaching with Bing ads. However, I am getting there because as you see, I'm getting results. You can get these results as well. And that's really what I'm proving here. I'm trying not to mask a lot of stuff. And I really want you to take these things that I'm doing and so that you can implement them and so that you can begin to make your $100 per day progress as well. So anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and click this week. Boom. ClickBank. If you don't know about ClickBank, you can, it's a platform that has a whole bunch of affiliate products with all niches, whatever you want to call it. And whether you're in weight loss, health, fitness, I don't know, affiliate marketing, gardening, woodworking, all that stuff, you can find these type of products within ClickBank. So as you see here, I have two sales and one is a Red Tea Detox product and another one is an affiliate marketing platform that helps you build landing pages. And right now, let's go ahead and find the Red Tea Detox program so that you know what I'm talking about. I'm showing you guys everything. And the reason I started with this Red Tea Detox, I'm not going to go into a whole bunch of super detail because my other videos do this as well as the ones in the future, but I picked this one because one, it's a hot product. When you're in ClickBank, you want to hit gravity. Gravity lets you know some of the hottest products that are selling. You see this number here next to gravity, 155. That means that's the total amount of people who have been able to sell at least one product. So 155, there could be 10 people who are selling hundreds of these within a 30 to 60 day period. But this is just showing that there's proof that it's selling. And then also another reason why I got this, that I'm selling this one, is because the average rebuild total, 3285, 31% people get rebuild, which means that there is some type of subscription where the customer pays money and I get part of that commission. Anytime the customer pays something that's a monthly subscription, I would get that payment as well as part of commission. Everything doesn't do that. So if we just scroll down a little bit, wow, Respark the Romance. I don't know what that's about. I guess that's in a dating niche. $155. Going back to you monthly, that's awesome, but the gravity is extremely low. But here's a product here, teeth whitening. This is probably a good product. Gravity too, maybe not. But the point that I'm making here, the rebuild total is $0, which means you're not going to make money on a monthly basis because this product is not that type of product. It does not have a subscription. And I'm not going to click the Red Tea Detox program right now, just simply due to time limitations. I don't want this to be a 20-minute drawn out video. This is the product that I'm selling. I get I get $23.15 every time this product is selling. Now, let's go over to the campaign within Bing ads. The last time with the campaign, I kind of switched gears a little bit, and I was trying to get sales, trying to sell this sleep apnea product, which allows for people to do exercises so that they don't have to snore at night. And that wasn't, I mean, I was getting a lot of clicks and everything, but I was not getting the type of results when it came to sales. I was getting the clicks, but no sales. I actually hit up the affiliate manager of that product and I said, hey, I drove over 120 clicks over to your program and I didn't get a sale. Is that normal? And they said no. So there's a couple things I want to tweak, but the whole point of me showing you this is that I stopped the campaign. I stopped throwing money over to it because I realized, you know, let's just go back over here. Because that could mean, I mean, the payout's good. Look, $36.76. That's phenomenal. And the gravity is $43.12. So I like to promote things that are above 50. Technically, when gravity is above 30, you're in good hands. But there's a reason. There's a reason that there's not hundreds being sold, right? Sometimes it could be the niche. Sometimes it's the product that sucks. Sometimes it's the landing page. And in this case, I don't know. It's hard to tell. I think that I could tweak a little bit more things to actually drive that sell, but I'm not going to in this case because I want to move on to bigger and better things. So I paused that campaign. I wanted to get something that I know sells. 155 gravity is what the Red Tea Detox was. Remember, right? So that means even though it's competitive, it is selling like hotcakes. And if it's selling like hotcakes, I may have to pay a little bit of money, but that means I should be able to sell it also. And guess what? Your boy sold something from the Red Tea Detox. And if we go over here to Click Magic, which is what I use for tracking, if you're going to be doing paid ads, please make sure that you use something for tracking. Click Magic is the bomb. I had no idea it was this good, to be honest with you, until I really began to like do some digging and do some Bing ads training. I actually paid some money for some Bing ads training, and that link for that is below. If you want to learn everything that I'm learning, you can go ahead and click that link as well. But it is an affiliate link. Yes, I do get paid if you happen to purchase, but that's just a way of saying thank you. I would greatly appreciate it. But as you see here, I drove 83 clicks. I know it says 86, but 83 unique clicks, and I got a profit of $24.79. Right? This is the power of click magic, and you're gonna really see the huge power of it. Okay, so if I go ahead and click this, I created a group, a special link for tracking within ClickMagic, and if I go ahead and I put my mouse on here, it shows that I have 84 unique clicks, and this is going to continue to go higher and higher because I got 2 campaigns running to this program. I'm going to go ahead and click this. This shows the sale, right? I'm going to click that button one time. It shows me my profit was $24.79 for this transaction out of those 84 clicks. Well, technically 90, but 84 clicks. And this is where the secret sauce is at. Look, guys, it shows me the keyword within Bing ads that made the conversion. So now I know that this specific keyword is what's driving me to traffic for the sale. This is crazy. This is insane, guys. I'm trying to figure out if Facebook, you can do this with Facebook in some way, Facebook ads, but not really, right? And it gives me more information as well. It lets me know that it's by a mobile phone, and it lets me know within some of my targeting. It gives me real strong specifics. This long number here shows me the ad that it got the sale from. And I'm going to go over to Bing ads and show you this. Oh, and it also shows the affiliate link in which they clicked. Before I hop back over there to Bing ads, I just clicked on all 84 clicks, right? And as you see, best weight loss program, best weight loss program. Like, they clicked on that word so many times. That word has made so much traffic. Then we got best drinks to lose weight, right? This is phenomenal. I get to see all this information, and I see that I'm getting the clicks, but only that one keyword drove the sale. So now if I go back to Bing ads, I go over here because this is the one that got the sale. I'm running 2 campaigns, like I said earlier. I did some keyword research, which I'm going to create another video on, a whole nother video by itself. I did some keyword research, and the Red Tea Detox for this one is training from a guy called the Nomad Brad. I took his training. It's pretty awesome. But the way that he does keywords is different than other people. So I'm testing out different ways to find these specific keywords. And I went through the Bing keyword planner in order to do keywords for my specific keyword searches. And again, I'm going to do another video on that. I'm not going to get into that. But as you see here, I ran out of budget. I ran $50 per day because I only wanted to run the $50 just to run through all the keywords very quickly. So technically, I mean, I started this at 4 o'clock, 2 o'clock, and it's 10:51 p.m. I got a sale, and it hasn't even been 6 hours, I believe, where I actually initially noticed the sale. Okay. And I put $50 per day because I know it's not going to be $50 per day. It's going to be $50 after my money runs out. I wanted it to run out very quickly. And at the same time, I got my sale. All this happened within 24 hours. And now I can really go to work by optimizing my ads so I can get more sales. Now, the downside, if you want to call it a downside, I spent a total of $53 for this particular campaign. And you might be saying, hey, Antonio, you spent $53, but you only made $24.79. It's not worth it. But see, that's where you're wrong, because I know within the information that I got from here, the word that got the sale came from one of my ad groups over here, which I set it up. This is a key part to targeting. I'm going to go to my keywords over here. And you will see one of these words got 67 clicks. What do you know? The best program lose weight, right? All of that information within ClickMagick was pretty much from that word. Okay, that itself, I spent $44.89. And it's kind of crazy because most of my traffic went to that one word. So what I'm going to eventually do is pull that word out by itself and target it a little bit differently with my ad spend, so I'm not spending as much money. But the cool thing here is the average click cost per click is 67 cents. Guys, I can bid 67 cents per click all day. Okay, and then the very cool part, this is where it gets really good. That showed $44. And you may be thinking, Antonio, that's still not good enough for me to start investing in Bing ads and paid advertising. Guys, look, this is the ad that got the conversion. This one right here. I'm not scared to show you guys my ads because I'm really trying to give you like a lot of good free content here. And $21.44 spent. This one didn't get the conversion. This one didn't get the conversion. This one got the conversion. Do you see why it's important to go ahead and put money towards your ads? I know $50 is a lot for you guys. If you don't have 50 bucks, look, I got a lot of free content below in a description where I teach you how to make $100, $500, even $1,000 in a month very quickly at that. Go make you some money. Go sell some stuff on eBay. Look in your garage, all that trash, you need to go ahead and sell it because you need to begin to invest in yourself. $21.44 I spent in order to make $24.79. I believe that's the number. Now, that's only like a $3 profit, but see, this is where it's really beautiful, okay? I can optimize it. Like I said, I can pull out that word and I can pull out this ad, and now I know I don't have to test anymore. This $9 and $16 and all that other stuff, all that's irrelevant now because I know what's converting. So technically, in theory, I can optimize this, pull up that word, bid on my costs to be lower so that I could get more traffic to that one word, okay? That one keyword. So that's what I'm going to be doing in the next video. I need to optimize. I'm also going to see how this one's doing. This one is going super slow because the keywords, for whatever reason, wasn't as hot as the Nomad Brad campaign that I created as well. And you'll notice that whenever you're running Bing ads. But look, guys, affiliate marketing, I was able to get a sale within like 6 hours. And all I need to do is do this a couple times and, you know, wait till I get to the point of selling 2 to 3 products with just this one method. And this is just one method. I haven't even gone to do like my free methods of doing like YouTube videos, or I haven't even begun to send people over to a capture page to capture all of this information. This is just direct linking. Okay, so if I got 67 clicks and with a capture page, 10 people opted in, I can send messages to those individuals all the time. Okay, so this is more than just me trying to show you guys how to make $100 per day with different techniques and stuff. I'm going through a whole bunch of stuff, and really, to be honest with you, I'm just experimenting on a couple of things. Everything that I show you is not exactly the same model that I would do it in the way that I'm doing it, but I'm just showing you guys. I'm experimenting. You're seeing my experiments, my progress at the same time. You can do the same thing. This is live data. And I'm excited, guys. So 50 bucks already this week. It's only been 2 days. I'm just playing around right now. And hopefully I'll make some more progress for you guys. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button below. Hit the like button, the thumbs up button as well. Click those courses below. If you want $100 to advertise on Bing ads for free, there's a link for that below as well. Okay, we'll see you guys later.